Hello everyone, this is Vernika, and for today's artwork you will require these supplies: grit paper and a few extra sheets, an eraser, a mechanical pencil, a fine liner, a ruler or a scale, and watercolors from Thoovi. Today's tutorial is about how to use geometric patterns and convert them to an art piece. So here, as you can see, I'm going to use two type of patterns, which is one is triangle, which can be of different patterns, different styles, and can be used at different angles. Similarly, I'll be using quadrilateral. With the combination of three-sided triangle and four-sided quadrilateral, let's see how we'll be converting it to an art piece. Draw a vertical line at the midpoint of the grid paper. Make a 2 cm line bent towards the right of the paper. Continue to extend lines as shown in the video, as the end goal of this would be to create a flamingo. Stretch up to 4.5 cm on the left in order to create the neck of the flamingo. All the other lines are drawn with rough estimations, and this can be changed as per the convenience of the artist. Please follow the video in order to achieve the look of the flamingo. Here we'll give the flamingo a shape so that it looks like it has feathers. You can go ahead and create multiple lines in the structure to form triangles and quadrilaterals. After finishing off, you can transfer the design to a plain paper where we can go ahead and paint them with gouache paints. I will be using Himi gouache paints that are available on the Thoovi art website. The combination that I will be using here is a combination of pink and yellow. In order to create the colors of a flamingo, I am going to use pink and yellow in different proportions along with white sometimes. As you can see here, I will be coloring multiple blocks that we have created during the process of this artwork with different forms of the same combination of pink and yellow by just adding a little white to it. You could follow me along and choose the same proportions that I have used, or you could go ahead and choose the choice of colors that you have. I have chosen darker shade of pink for the neck and the bottom of the feathers. I will end up by coloring the beak with black color. Now we are going to use a 0.25 liner to outline all the lines that we had created. The best part of geometrical art is that we do not have any boundaries or limitations of how do you want the artwork to look like. You can play around with the lines, with the shapes that you want, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.